Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a pregnancy of about 21 weeks with intrauterine fetal demise and positive Spalding sign. You can see the fetal head and the pregnancy is about 21 weeks. Fetal demise is defined differently around the world based on gestation sac and weight of the fetus. In some places, the threshold can range from at least 16 weeks to at least 26 weeks, with a weight of at least 400 grams to at least 500 grams. You can see the fetal head and the skull bones, fetal skull bones shows overlapping of skull bones on each other. That is positive Spalding sign. Placental abruption and other placental disorders such as vasa previa, placental dysfunction leading to fetal growth restriction, umbilical cord complications, uterine ruptures. These are some causes of intrauterine fetal demise. You can see the fetal heart and it shows no fetal cardiac activity. No blood flow is seen, no fetal movements are visible. Now, symptoms of second trimester loss are bleeding. Most commonly, bleeding is a sign of problem with the placenta and doesn't indicate a fetal demise. Cramping, pregnancy losses in the second trimester can be due to early labor. Then there is loss of fetal movements. This can indicate a fetal demise. You can see there is no blood flow seen in this fetus and it shows the sign of fetal demise. Now, traditionally, early fetal death has been treated by surgical uterine evacuation up to 14 weeks and labor induction after that using a variety of agents including oxytocin and prostaglandins. Now you can see the fetal head and spines, and you can see the fetal spines are also overlapping on each other. Now you can see the measurement of the fetal abdominal circumference. Again, you can see the measurement of the fetal abdominal circumference. Now, if there is no medical reason for the baby to be born straight away, it may be possible to wait for labor to begin naturally. This decision doesn't usually need to be made immediately, and it may be possible to go home for a day or two first after the fetal demise. Second trimester intrauterine fetal death is typically recognized as a demise after 20 weeks of gestation and fetal weight of more than 500 grams. It affects about 1 in 100 pregnancies each year in the United States, and the rate has declined by more than 25% in the last 15 years. Now again you can see the placenta is anteriorly attached. This is slightly left lateral. This is placenta. Once you have registered your baby, the registrar will give you a certificate for a burial ceremony. By law, a baby must be buried or cremated if he or she is stillborn at or after 24 weeks. Most but not all hospitals offer to arrange a funeral. Again, you can see the fetal head and the fetal skull bone edema is also visible. It is believed that some foods that are harmful and should be avoided in pregnancy for the safety of the mother and baby. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.